Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I will show you how to answer this one. We can do about factorization by x. Next, we put x go outside and you got about x to the power of 1 over 7. Now, we can do another factorization by x to the power of 1 over 7. So that should be like this. Now, we put this one go outside and we will have about x to the power of 1 over 7 multiplied by 1 over 3. And this one, that is about 1 over 21. Now, we can do another factorization that is about x to the power of 1 over 21. So we have like this. And now I will put this one go outside and we have x to the power of 1 over 21 multiplied by 1 over 7, and this one we have 1 over 147. So if we look carefully, this one, that is about 1 over 146, and we can transform into this way. So we can simplify and we can see that this one is bigger than this one. So that means when s approaches to negative infinity, this one that will go to infinity. However, this one that is about the odd number 147. So because we have the negative sign here, negative with the odd root, you got about the negative. This one you got 0, 0 and 0. So if we simplify this one, you will have about negative infinity. And this is the final answer. This is the end. Thank you for watching.